experiencing our first rain day while RVing. Rowan is absolutely loving it. One of the things that we're trying to get over, because we were always really stuck up with the whole what all our kids do. We very rarely let Rowan play out in the rain. And we're finding out that that's kind of one of the things you just got to let go, is just let kids be kids. Let them get dirty. Let them experience things. I know we're only day 4 into this, but you know, it's just kind of what we're figuring out. What you have to do is, you know, boys want to get dirty and play in the rain and get mud on themselves. So why not? You know, we may find out that maybe it's not the best idea. We don't know. We're only 4 days into this. But what we do know is we've already been a lot happier. Maybe it's because we're still in the honeymoon phase of it all. We still think it's all like, I don't know, it still almost feels like vacation kind of camping rather than this is what our life is now.